How does the law of war protect prisoners of war from war crimes? Breaking news in the realm of international law? The question on many minds today is how the law of war safeguards prisoners of war from war crimes. This topic has gained urgency as conflicts continue around the globe. Recent events have highlighted the importance of understanding these protections. The law of war, especially the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict, outlines vital rules for humane treatment during war. The Geneva Conventions consist of treaties that set the standards for wartime conduct. They focus on protecting victims of war, including prisoners of war and civilians. One key rule is the prohibition of torture and cruel treatment. This applies to everyone under the control of a warring party. The conventions define protected persons, including civilians and prisoners of war, who must be treated humanely. Article 32 of the Fourth Geneva Convention specifically states that no protected person can be subjected to physical suffering. This is a clear commitment to ensuring the dignity of those captured during conflicts. The laws of armed conflict, or jus in bello, further clarify how combatants should act during war. Combatants must distinguish between military targets and civilians. They are also required to avoid unnecessary harm to civilians and civilian objects. This principle of distinction is essential in protecting those not involved in fighting. Combatants must conduct operations according to established laws and customs. They must be under responsible command and carry arms openly. The protection of civilians is also a critical aspect of these laws. Direct attacks on civilians and civilian structures are strictly prohibited. Parties involved in conflicts must take every precaution to minimize harm to civilians. Humanitarian access is another vital element, ensuring aid reaches those in need. The law of war establishes mechanisms for accountability. Individuals and states can be held responsible for violating these laws, including committing war crimes. This includes prosecuting individuals who commit such acts and requiring states to investigate violations. The law of war plays a vital role in protecting prisoners of war and civilians from war crimes. By establishing clear prohibitions and accountability mechanisms, it aims to uphold human dignity even in the most challenging circumstances. Understanding these protections is essential as we navigate ongoing global conflicts.